Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain the difference between next and nextLine scanner methods in Java. So what is the difference? Here, let me write down the next method of scanner class. And here on the right side, let me write down nextLine method of the scanner class. This both will accept the strings. Okay, the common thing between this next and nextLine is both will accept string input. Okay, you can pass string input and both will accept the string input from the user when you're running the program. Okay, but there is a difference, guys. Even though next and next line methods will accept the string input from the user while running the program, but what is the difference? The difference here is next will only accept a single word. The moment it encounters a space, it will stop. You see, let's say I am inputting a string text like my name is Arun. This particular string input I am inputting to the program, and the next method of the scanner class will try to read this, and when it encounters a space, it will stop. That means it will accept only my. Though I have given entire statement of text, entire line of text I have given, but the next method of the scanner class has only accepted the first word. The moment it encounters a space, it will stop and it will consider that as an input. So my is considered as an input in case of next. Then what about the next line? The same string input, that is my name is Arun, a line of text, if you are passing to the next line method, next line will accept the entire thing. Okay, until it encounters the end of the statement. Okay, until the next line method encounters the end of the statement, it will not stop, unlike next method which will stop when it encounters a space, but here next line method will wait for the end of the statement. Okay, and then because of that, my name is Arun will be accepted by the next line. Let me demonstrate this practically for you guys. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE. Here I'm going to create a new class. I'll name this class as a demo 5. With main method I'll create. And inside this main method, I'm going to give the scanner. Okay, create an object for the scanner class. And here system.in for in taking the input from the user. And I have imported this scanner class like this. And after that, scanner dot. Here I'll write a print statement, system.out.println, enter a line of text. I'm asking the user to enter the line of text. And here I'll simply write down string s1 is equal to scanner dot next line I am saying. Okay, first I am saying next line. So the next line will take the entire line of text. It will not wait for the space or something. It will wait for the end of the statement. Okay, and it will capture. And coming to the next print statement, I'll write down again enter a line of text. And this time I'll try to capture into string s2 is equal to scanner dot next method. But next method, even though the user has entered a line of, okay, entire line of text like my name is Arun or something, it will only capture the input until it encounters a space in that particular line of text. If there are multiple words in that particular statement, okay, the first word only it will take. Next method will take only first word, because after the first word space is there, it will stop. Now let me print it out. System.out.println s1, the next line inputted accepted input, which is s1, and s2, which is a next method intake and input, which is s2. And I can also close the scanner object just to overcome that warning message. Let me run this code, right click, run as a Java application. Entire line of text, I'll just type my name is Arun. Again enter line of text. Here already next line has taken this entire line. Now again enter line of text. Again I am giving the same thing. My name is Arun I am giving. When I press enter, here next will only consider this my, because once it encounters a space, it will stop. Now if I press enter, you see S1, that is the input taken by the next line, has taken the entire statement. My name is Arun got printed. Whereas S2, which is input accepted by the next method, has only accepted till my. Once it encountered a space, it stopped. Understood, guys? What is the difference between next line in this? So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.